Priye, you matched incomplete code. Now I can't push my bathing kilowatts feature.
What? My Connell's libraries have disappeared entirely.
Today, this is the best day of my life.
Gentle reminder. We have a client demo by 6 p.m. today. People.
Alright, I'm deploying your containers.
Double check those environment variables, please. One long letter, and it's game over.
If we just make that tokens, we could test everything on a cast net.
Orny, not now. Basic 6 is first. Talking utopia later. Let's keep it real.
I think the rollback is done.
Squad, this is the future of energy in Africa. Our Powerpoint app is going to disrupt a grid. Imagine an app so magical that if I have extra generator power, I can share with folks who just need to charge their phones or water to the if you have big brain rides, right?
High-key Genius Z with a Sconomy Immortal database like hardcore feed nails down 101.
Fact, we need to optimize so we don't get arrested by server load.
That's a whole lot of crude operations. We're talking Crook city population. You my pet state.
All the things this recipe. There must have been no bug. Accessibility on pliers.
Please, the users just want to know, is bed power available from you right now or nah?
And feeling like they're pouring the apps while at it. Effortless. Cynic. Gotta keep budget consistent.
Oh, this is giving me crypto feels. We collect optimized surplus bra. Quality summer coin. You got extra watts? Miss a coin. Get the bread. Instant gratification. Let's go.
Steady on from. We're not trying to turn this app into a roller coaster features. Let's keep that data architecture stable. We can talk synergy and AI hype later.
Exactly. We keep it boomer friendly for now. No wallet or keys. Just you have power, yes or no. Let's not break brains.
But if someone tries to schedule 24 hours of their island on zero supply, can they get negative tokens? That's the future, right? Oh, I can't wait to see how that breaks.
She's a bad. You are up.
Alright. Here's what I got from my all-nighter. Everyone needs easy power sharing, zero math.
Giant scoreboard to see who hatches at who needs 6. Weird friend madness.
Madness! Let's go! Slapping the task on Jira. Asfato, what's the UI looking like?
Simple, bright, and boomer approved. Man, you're an overkill. Promise.
Ain't nobody ever die of below.
Dayama, DevOps plan.
The regular CI/CD, I'll containerize, no meltdown on my watch. Just spin up new servers.
Right. Starco, are you ready for QA?
Ready to break it all. Just to keep us humble.
Okay. Okay, y'all. You got your Jira tickets. We have to learn to get that MVP shining bright like a diamond. Then we test.
Alright folks, 12 more hours to brilliant. Let's file out this unicorn.
Break. Alright, how we doing? Rashima, picture me.
So I'm building this real-time database to track who's got surplus parts to share. and who's craving it. But the currency is next level, like a massive conga line. If just one perceives that's out of sync, the whole line stumbles.
So you're describing musical chairs, back-end edition. Except each chairs are kilowatt hours, and we have to see who's left standing.
Exactly. Except each chairs are kilowatt hours, and everyone's rushing to grab them before they are gone. I worry that the system might crash if the core doesn't handle simultaneous updates properly.
Want it this simpler? Give your main type tokens for each kilowatt contributed. That way, you could grab more power than tokens available. Boom! Knock off currency meltdown.
But then, we have to manage transactions on a blockchain for every watt. That is a different kind of meltdown, trust me.
Okay, of currency meltdown, token meltdown, that way. We don't want our users to see the app freeze or lose track of their power. They will think the system's broken.
For real, let's keep it straightforward. A robust DB that can handle real-time writes is the move. Then we do 7 stress tests. I'm quality to be.
And that is exactly why we are going to scale up Mercedes from day one. If we can handle a million users, then we can truly disrupt the grid.
Sure, Big C. But let's remember, not all those million users are going to show up tomorrow morning. We are trying to work with a budget.
I can deploy multiple microservices that handle a chunk of the workload. So, if any part of the system gets overloaded, we can just spin up more point gainers on AWS or Google Cloud. That's how we take the Gucci.
Dilemma. Now I big you E.O.D. Osato, show us what you got.
Check out the Vikes. Color coded sliders. Blue for TVRs, green for laundry, yellow for AC. But it's kind of dealing, kind factory, exported on the screen.
Yeah, it's a bit much.
I may. What would you need disco lights for?
Wait, Bosato. Let's talk that slider. I mean, the code for this UI is no joke. I have to dynamically recalculate how many kilowatts each slider is pulling from the pole.
But I just want it to be visually appealing and super easy. If I need 3 hours of TV, I slide this bra. If I need 4 hours of laundry, I slide this bra. No math required for the user. Big rides, eh?
Hey, but that means the system has to keep track of every slider adjustment in real time. So we cannot bake available power for everyone else. Concurrency gremlins multiplied.
Gremlins for bees. That's the sequel I never asked for.
Oof! I can't wait to the meltdown when 50 people try to do laundry at once. Or someone tries 10 hours of AC or 0 watts. It made chef's kiss.
Okay, I have a thought. How about the sliders for turn red if they exit available power?
Okay. Claim will tell.
She's not bad, you don't have to wait for thing. You Abe, we definitely do.
Dimeji, what's new?
I'm using this dope new JavaScript framework that updates the UI in millisecond any data changes. Like, we're talking bullet train speed.
Is it stable though? We can't start the build right before the demo.
It's stable-ish. I made them broken into once. Authorize, but trust, we'll fix it in time. Ich trust.
Cap the me a heads up. If your fancy front end starts shooting 500 errors to my database, please. I am jelly enough concurrency issues already.
Oh yeah, fit concurrency one more time.
Don't worry, folks. Once we organize each part of the app, if one piece goes kapom, we swap it out like the Lego. The future-proofing is biggie.
That's the drip I want to hear. Future-proof for 1 million concurrency gremlins out there.
Okay, Big Z. Let's get the basics locked in. Concurrency sorted. Ensure the front end doesn't blow up until the UI user-friendly. Once that's solid, there is unchock scaling and synergy.
I can help. Core D, scheduling module. I was on the dev forum last March reading about concurrency at ARPIS. kinda.
Defeat, thoroughly, please. Luton concurrency can get messy if even one variable is off.
Of course. Not problem.
Priye, you matched incomplete code. Now I can't push my 1,000 kilowatts feature.
What? My corner sliders have disappeared entirely.
Figure this is the best day of morning life.
Gentle reminder. We have a client demo by 6 p.m. today. People.
Alright, I'm deploying your containers.
Double check those environment variables, please. One long letter, and it's game over.
If we just make that tokens, we could test everything on a cast net.
Orny, not now. Basic 6 is first. Joking utopia later. Let's keep it real.
I think the rollback is stuck.
Did you learn up server capacity?
Go down me e pontenar vai zu form. We get fresh containers. Let's get more containers. We seem to have made a bit.
Let's do a test run before the clients log for Zoom. Show me those real-time palette charts.
I've got that. Wait, kilowatts updating.
It is all stock or 0 kilowatts.
Why if your environment variable miscalled feed guard?
Is this karma for me suggesting tokens?
Apparently, we are missing a single export statement in the environment file.
What?
Of course. I thought so too. It's giving Wood the error.
Okay, it's a quick fix. We revert, we patch.
Dimeji, just hurry.
I'll push the fix right now.
Guess what feel got this, fellas?
There you have it, 8 squared. You did it. Again. We on a roll. 240 unicorns in 24 hours. This year.
40 down. Just 2 more.
Now, who ever knew that bluffer shot gang, you know?
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification.